Next, we're going to combine both capturing of selfie with ID number. And as you can see, again, we'll be asked to capture a selfie. And there's some prompts to guide the user. So in this case, the next prompt is to smile. Next, we'll be entering the country, the ID type, and the ID number. Again, for purposes of the demo, we ask for basic information such as the first name, the last name, and the date of birth. Once we click on upload now, again, this is sent to the cloud where we conduct our processing. And in this case, what we're going to do, number one, is conduct the liveness checks and spoof detection on the selfie. And then we're also going to ping the government database to pull back the ID information on file for this user, in this case using an ID. And part of the information that's returned by the database is a selfie of the user. And what we do using geometric computing is we map out about 60 different data points on the selfie. And using geometric computing, we calculate the distances between the data points. And then we conduct the exact same mapping on the image returned by the ID authority. And we also, using geometric computing, conduct the same sort of measuring or calculation of distances between the data points. And then we superimpose the two or match them just to come up with a confidence score or a similarity score of the selfie to the image from the ID authority. And in this case, you can see on the right-hand side, within 23 seconds, we were able to successfully confirm and ascertain that the selfie provided by the user matches the image returned on file by the government ID authority. On the right-hand side, as you can see, this is what a typical response looked like. The selfie provided passed. We were able to successfully register the selfie and conduct proof of liveness check. We were able to verify the ID and return the personal identifiable information on the user. And all of this information can be pulled back to your system using a callback URL, which we've created provision for.